Hi, welcome to the journey of Python for engineers. Go from beginner to advanced level. In this video, we will see how to install Python programming language software in Windows system. There are many ways to install the Python. Let us begin with the first and regular method of installing the Python directly from the Python Software Foundation. Go to the python.org and then click on the Downloads button. You will see a new version of Python. The current version is 3.10.7. Choose the version and then click on it to download on your system. Keep the software in Python training folder. After successful download, click on the software to start installing. Once you click on the software, the installation wizard will open to guide you the installation steps. Here, check the box Add Python to Path. So it will add Python executable file application path to the path of the Windows system. And then click on the install button. The installation will begin to install the software. Wait for the few minutes. Once the installation completes, you will get the dialog box with successful installation message, and then close the wizard. Next, go to the Start menu and then type Python. If the software has installed successfully without any errors, you will see Python application and its editing tools. Now, one that we want to write the script file is Python IDLE. Select the Python IDLE and then click on it. You will see an editor with the interpreter icon. This window is usually called as Python interpreter or Python IDLE shell. Now, we can directly work on this window like command prompt. But we can't write and execute the script file in this window directly. For that, click on the file section of the menu bar. You will see different options. The first one is the new option, means create a new Python script file. Once you click on that, a new script editing window will be opened. Here we can write our Python program as a script and save it as a script file for later execution. So this is called as the script file editor or script editor. Let us do the simple practical work. So here I will write some lines of code. Say for example, print inside the parenthesis within the double inverted comma Python for engineers. Similarly, the another print statement. Go from beginner to advanced level. After entering these print statements, click on the Save button in the File menu bar. You will be asked to save the file with a .file extension. After saving the file, click on Run in menu bar and then select Run Module. Or directly you can press the F5 key from your keyboard to run the file. The output will be displayed in the interpreter window. So, congratulations! on successful installation of Python on your Windows system and running the Python file to see how interpreter executes the Python script file. Just now, we saw how to install Python from the website Python Software Foundation. But there exist several methods to install Python on our Windows system based on the professional work requirements. We will see all those methods later in this course. If you are using the Mac OS or Linux operating system, you can visit this Python page to see the detailed explanation to know how to install Python on your specific system. Thanks for watching this. See you in the next lesson.